Hi sewing friends, Alice Murray here with Murr-Made Designs. Welcome to my channel. If you are a first-time viewer, so happy to have you here. Subscribe and come along on the journey. And if you are one of the many people that watch every day, thank you so much for your support. You are what inspires me to keep going. So today, I'm going to show you something a little different, but a little bit the same to some of the things I've showed you before. You will remember Kwik Sew 4220. This pattern comes with pants, a vest, and a sweater. And I have showed you, I have never made these pants, but I've made this vest. Not like a vest. How many times? How many times have I done that now? This might be the fourth time. I always add sleeves to it. What I like about it is it has princess seams. The pockets go on really nicely. The zipper goes on really nicely. It has a curved hem, all very nice. Let me show you what I did, and then we'll talk. Give you a twirl. So, what is the same about this is it is the fourth time I've made that vest pattern. And added sleeves. What is different about it is this time it is made from Refashioned. This was, until this afternoon, two different sweatshirts. A blue sweatshirt and a burgundy sweatshirt that has kind of black lines in it. And I took the pattern and laid out on it and cut out the different bits as I could make them fit. The pockets, the side bits. I just cut the sleeves off of the burgundy one and then added a band off the green ones because the burgundy sleeves weren't long enough. And then I just self-drafted a hood pattern and cut it out on the blue. And I made it a lined hood, and those take a lot of fabric. So I'll show you again. And then I put in a green zipper. Why did I put in a green zipper? This blue looked quite a bit greener in the light in my sewing room. Okay, well, I guess I have a green zipper. I have pockets here. The pockets are not exactly even, but I bet you didn't notice till I showed you. There are a few seams from the other sweatshirts that show up in odd places just because that's where I could rob the material from. And the hem I haven't finished yet because in some places it's the finished hem of one of the sweatshirts and in some places it isn't. And if I think it's too thick to turn up. I'm kind of thinking I might put some bias binding around it. I'd have to piece it to get the color, or I could do it all in a burgundy. If you have some ideas about that, I would love to hear them. I would also really love to hear if you have a zipper up hoodie pattern that you use that has sleeves, that has princess seams, that have pockets that are easy to put on. I would love to have that pattern. So if you have a pattern like that you use, please tell me the number in the comments. And truth be told, I have been showing you the last few days, you know, some kind of dressy dresses and, you know, some kind of cute things that you would wear out and about. But 90% of the time, this is what I wear. I wear a t-shirt with a hoodie over it. I can take it off when I get hot, put it back on, put the hood up when I go outside, over top my ball cap. Works like a charm. So yeah, that is my Refashioned hoodie. I don't know about the, I like the color blocking, but I kind of wish I would have made the pockets narrower. I don't know how that would have worked. So, because it kind of messes up the color blocking, but yeah, but I thought that worked good. So if you have two sweatshirts that you don't wear anymore, you can make them into a nice cozy hoodie. And in my grateful thread today, I had a nap. Been kind of burning the midnight oil, trying to keep up with the sewing. And this afternoon I had a nap. I don't know when's the last time I had a nap. Naps are great. Remember that book, All I Needed to Know About Life I Learned in Kindergarten? Have a nap? Naps are great. Very grateful for it. So I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. I'm going to link one of the other hoodies I made with this pattern. Bye for now.